Understanding the life and teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Mecca over 1400 years ago. A man known for his trustworthiness changes history forever. This man, Muhammad, born into a world of division, brought a message of unity and peace that resonates to this day. His life, a journey of compassion and perseverance, inspires millions. From an orphan to a leader, his story is captivating. Through revelations, he shared wisdom that molded a fractured society into a cohesive community, emphasizing justice, equality, and humanity. His teachings transcended borders, creating a civilization that valued knowledge, art, and science, laying the groundwork for modern advancements. In times of conflict, Muhammad's approach was patience and dialogue, inspiring solutions grounded in empathy and understanding. His legacy, a beacon of light, guiding through the ages. A testament to the power of faith, love, and dedication.